Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is August the 9th, 2022. I am back, and today we are going to talk about Yearn Finance. We want to see if this bullish run is going to continue because over the last couple of days, the market has been stagnated. It hasn't really been moving from that monumental move that occurred right here on the 28th of July. So I wanted to come in and speak to you and show you all what I think the market is about to do in Yearn Finance. So welcome, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel if you guys want to join a winning team. This is what we do here in the cryptocurrency space. We come through and do price predictions to show you all how you can win and learn how to play for yourself. So if you guys want to join me, go ahead and do all of those things that I've just mentioned. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe, tap that bell notification as well, because I want you all to be one of the first ones to have a heads up as to where the price is headed. All right, so check this out. Did a video in Yearn Finance, right? You guys can see it is here in front of you right now. Let me zoom in on this price chart to give you all a clearer view as to what I anticipated the price in Yearn Finance was going to do. Now, the video was conducted on the 25th of July. You guys haven't seen that video. Once you get done with this one, you guys can go back and listen and see what was going on at that particular moment in time for me to say that I'm looking for the price in Yearn Finance to go up. And needless to say, it did. So did a video here. Okay, the 25th of June, excuse me, was the first time that I did the video. Did an update on the 25th of July, which the market in Yearn Finance was right here. Okay, right there. And I still was playing the strength of the market. You guys can see it. I didn't change anything. And maybe 2 to 3 days after, the market came and gave us that 34, almost 35% movement higher. Simple. So now that is done, that is over. Let's try to figure out though if the market in Yearn Finance is still on a bullish run, because recently, you guys can see this. Let me go ahead and get these lines a little bit closer, because recently you all can see how Yearn Finance has been bumping its head up. Last couple of trading days, the market in Yearn Finance has been having some issues, and it's been topping out around $12,500. Now, what's going on here? Why hasn't the price in Yearn Finance been able to trade above $12,500? Well, it's because either there's no demand, people don't want to buy Yearn Finance at that price, or there's more sellers positioned there than there are people willing to buy. That is why the market currently is going down in Yearn Finance. Now, we are currently though seeing the market in Yearn Finance in an upward trend. So we are trending higher. Let's keep that straight. We are noticing that the market in Yearn Finance is in an uptrend, but we have broken away from that trend. You guys can see this. We have broken away from this overall trend that started back in June 18th, 2022. So yeah, maybe it is about time for us to see price come down in Yearn Finance. Maybe. Let's see. Because currently the market is down 4%. You guys can see that we are currently seeing some weakness here on this daily price bar right here. Okay, which is anticipated. The only thing that I understand that I can see that the price is weak is because right here on this particular day, okay, August the 5th, that was a pretty good move higher, right? Very widespread. The volume came in on that particular day. But one thing that you notice is that we haven't received any follow through. Like the buyers completely left out the market. So yes, this particular currency, as of this moment, it is weak, especially when you combine it with this particular day, July the 30th, 2022, price in Yearn Finance hasn't been trending higher. All of these days right here, okay, I'm gonna circle it, has been mostly individuals selling. Yeah, we saw a very good run up. So obviously you would expect people to come in and take the bag. People are trying to take the bread. That's the name of the game. And that's what they've been doing the last week or so. Okay, so let's look at this on a different chart. Let's go ahead and look at this on a 2-day time frame. You guys can see right here that even though the market in Yearn Finance has been hovering right here above, slightly below $12,500, we are still seeing weakness, even here on the 2-day chart. The market here in Yearn Finance is still showing us some weakness. This is Yearn Finance on the 3-day time frame, and again, I'm not really too bullish right now. I definitely suspect that the market in Yearn Finance is trying to take a reprieve. People are trying to take the opportunity to finally get some profit out of this particular run up in Yearn Finance. Now I can see, okay, as I am telling you that the market in Yearn Finance is weak, we can actually see the market bounce and hold support around $10,500. Okay, if we see that continue, then the market is definitely back holding, meaning that the market buyers are buying up all of this Yearn Finance at these levels because they're anticipating that the price is going to continue to go up. That's if the price trades and stays above $10,500. If it doesn't, we understand that all of that was selling in. Okay, we understand that. So that is going to be my first price target right there. Okay, so look at this here. This 5-day price bar is definitely indicative of selling. Even on this current one, we're still seeing selling, but I like it that the market was able to hold 10,500. That tells me that the buyers were still in position to try to get in and hold price. But they still have a major task ahead of them if they really want to allow Yearn Finance to continue to break out. They got to hold that line. Okay. So let me show you this on a weekly chart too. You guys can see right here that last week, I mean, look how small that spread was. This current trading week is going to be real important on us knowing whether or not the buyers open up their wallets and bought whoever sold their Yearn Finance in the market, or if they didn't. Because we got this very small spread, but that volume was decent. It was pretty heavy last week for us to get this small spread. So let me see something real quick. Let me look at this on the hourly chart. Okay, because I want to see this. Okay, right here on the hourly chart, you all can see on the 3-hour chart that the market in Yearn Finance is also trending down. Running a downtrend on an hourly basis in Yearn Finance. So I'm going to play the weakness into the market, but like I told you, I want to see buyers come in and hold maybe around like 10,800 first, then 10,500 second. If we see that market hold there, then it's going to tell me longer term that this particular cryptocurrency is going to continue its movement higher and break above 12,500. Okay. So let's go ahead and put that on the chart. We're going to play a little bit of weakness in Yearn Finance here. So let me put this there. And let's go ahead and see what we have. So that $10,800 level, go ahead and zoom in real quick. It's not going to be a lot. It's around 1.67%, right? So let me put it down to 10,500. That's going to be the first price target. It's not that far. It's not that much, but I understand that that is where I want to see buyers prop in the market and keep this market from falling. Because if they don't, we're already in position. We're already playing the weakness to the downside in Yearn Finance anyway. Okay, so that's the first price target. Then my second one is going to be down here around 9,500. Okay, that's how far I'm going to take it, even though I do see that the price can still fall all the way down here to this trend line. We can still definitely see that too. So we'll just come in and like nibble off a little bit off these price targets here, 10,500 and 9,500. And if we still see massive weakness come into the market in Yearn Finance, we'll take it all the way down to 8,000 if we have to, right? So that is there. And if I do see buyers hold price in Yearn Finance around 10,800 to even 10,500, this is going to be a very quick play to the downside, because we need to play the next move, which is anticipated to be higher. If that happens, though, we need to wait to see that happen first. And until then, we're going to continue to be weak in the market in Yearn Finance. All right. So that's the play. This is how I'm suspecting the market in Yearn Finance is going to work itself out. I want you all to give me a heads up as to what you all think Yearn Finance is up to, where you think it's about to go, and get in position. All right. So let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.